bell. Come in.
Mailman
It's Mailman Gordon, everybody.
Hi, Pete. How you doing?
Hi, Mailman Gordon.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You only come when I'm reading. I only read once a month, and you always seem to have a knack for showing up when I'm reading.
Oh, it's just my timing, I guess.
Well, I'm glad you showed up, though.
Yeah.
What do you got for me?
I got some more mail for you.
Great, thanks.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have a good day.
Hey, you too.
All right, bye.
Mailman
Gordon, everybody. Let's see what he brought us. Viewer mail. I love this stuff. Let's see. The first question is, are companies slowly moving things over to the cloud, including Dynamics 365? However, our IT team has not had a chance to move to Office 365 yet. A lot of times things will get out of sync. That happens. So our mail is still on our internal servers on site. Does this mean that we cannot integrate Microsoft Exchange with Dynamics 365 until we've made the big switch? From Cumulus Cloud 32. So that's a common assumption. A lot of people hear cloud-based and they think that you have to have cloud-based software. It can only integrate with other cloud-based solutions. That's not the case at all. And in fact, you can integrate your on-premises Exchange server with the Dynamics 365 in the cloud. So that's very possible. You just need to make sure that you have a compatible version of Exchange server. Your IT team should be able to do that, but you can verify your compatibility. Let us know if you need any assistance with that. But overall, you should have no problems whatsoever. All right? Good luck with that. The next question comes from Dazed and Confused. Outlook integration has been confusing my fellow sales members. Some of us are under the impression that synchronization should happen in the background between CRM and Outlook, but the rest of us aren't sure. Does everyone who has CRM have the ability to integrate with Outlook? Yeah, there are quite a few options, and it can get confusing just because there's so many different versions of Outlook and there's so many different ways people want to integrate, and what does integration even mean? So there's a lot of different options and arrangements, and it can be overwhelming and confusing at first. If you're using Outlook and it's not a super old version, you should be able to sync up so that contacts and leads automatically sync between the two products. That won't be a problem, and of course you can send your emails back and forth. There's also a server-side synchronization, which happens regardless of whether a user is logged into their mail or not. So things can be triggered. So if a mail comes into my account and I'm out on vacation, the system can the server can talk to it and file it into CRM so my coworkers can see important mail from prospects or customers. So those kind of things can happen. If server-side synchronization is not available, you can still sync up, but you'll be required to log into Outlook and take action to make that sync trigger and fire. Click the link on the screen for more information about the integration. And again, as always, follow up with us, ask specific questions if you have any, or if you have any problems, we're happy to help. All right? Good luck. The last question comes from Gabby Googles Everything. Okay? We're a small company of 3 people, and we're using Gmail server for our email. I know it's a long shot, but can we integrate in any way with Dynamics 365? Yeah, so for a lot of people, Gmail is the cost-effective, affordable solution, or they just prefer Google Mail over Microsoft Office or other mail providers. That happens. Luckily, Dynamics 365 does offer integration between Dynamics 365 and Google Mail. It also offers integration for Yahoo Mail and Outlook.com and a few others as well. You do have to understand, though, it's very bare bones and basic. It's not as rich and robust as the integration with Office 365, so it's going to have some limited options to it, but it will work. So you'll be able to receive emails in Dynamics 365 from Gmail, and you can even have CRM create records from Gmail. So if the account doesn't exist, when you go to file an email message from an email address that's not registered in the CRM, it will automatically create a lead record for you. And there's some other functionality there with the integration, but the bottom line is it's possible, but set your expectations properly. It's not going to be as robust as the Office 365 integration. All right? Hope that helps. Thanks for your questions. Love them. Keep them coming in, and we are here to help.